Okay, now let's proceed now to the assessment methods. Now, so far, we can classify the assessment methods into two, talagang generally. It can be traditional or performance. Pag sinabi natin traditional, our focus is the paper and pencil test. Ang paper and pencil test, kasama na din lahat ng quizzes, written test, assignments, pwede din nating isama ang standardized test. Now, iba po ang standardized test sa teacher-made test. Huwag kayong malilito doon, ha? Pag teacher-made test kasi, teacher ang gumagawa, intended for the students, hindi siya commercialized. So, yung lahat ng ginagawang different type of test, whether objective or subjective, kasama yun doon. Pero pag standardized tests are made by experts. No? Yun ay depende sa condition. It is also basically commercial. Like, for example, yung BLEF natin, yung mga board examinations na yung mga SAT, yung mga NAT exams. So, yun po'y kasama doon sa mga standardized tests. Mastery yun. Samantala sa teacher, yung needs ng bata ang focus natin. Now, in performance assessment, which is contrary to traditional pencil and paper, now, it can be classified into two. Pwede siyang maging authentic, pwede din siyang maging alternative. Pag authentic, nag-usapan na natin kanina, authenticity is something genuine and based on the real life experiences of the student. So whatever you are doing that can be simulated, galing sa society, sa bahay nyo, sa church, or whatever part of the society we have, and it is being done within your experience, that is considered authentic and it is real life. But if you are just performing a certain task being given to you, like for example, portfolio. Kasi ang portfolio is a collection, no? It is a purposeful collections of your achievements or accomplishment. Kasama na dyan ang quizzes, yung mga project, assignment, everything. Sinalagay niyo sa portfolio. And this will be your basis in determining your development. And you can even showcase your best work. No, pwede din siya. Now, pwede din po dito yung mga conference, mga observation, journal, mga performance-based assessment or product performance-based assessment as long as hindi siya based sa real life. Self-assessment will do, peer assessment will also do, pwedeng kasama. So, yung gumagawa kayo ng mga reflective paper, pwede din po siyang isama natin. As long as yun kasi ay part din ng portfolio. Huwag malilito kapag ang performance ay based sa real life or there is genuinity or that is authentic assessment. Pero if it is something being done as a task coming from the teacher that you have to perform but not really based in a real life, no, that is automatic. It is an alternative assessment which is just a performance. Pero pareho silang tinatawag na performance. Okay? So, yung mga project na ginagawa natin, nakadepende yan. Pag ang dinidepict niyang messages or set up or based on the context of real life, so nasa authentic. Okay? So, yun po ang traditional or performance assessment method. And let us try to see if we can apply it with the set of questions that we prepared. There are 4 questions for this topic.
Here's the question. If I have to use the most authentic method of assessment, which of these procedures should I consider? A. Written test, B. Objective test, C. Traditional assessment, or D. Performance-based assessment.
Smiley ang kanilang mga nakikita ko dito. Puro mga nakangiti. Mukhang hindi pa sila gutom.
Ang smiley ay letter D, di ba?
Okay, so tingnan natin niya kung talagang smiley ang sagot. Nasaan ang ating dancing queen dito? Saan sas? Ooh! Hindi siya sumayaw. Sumasayaw ba? So, letter D is the correct answer. Authentic assessment is under performance-based assessment kasi ang both the written test and the objective test ay under sa traditional. Huwag kayo malilito sa objective test, ha? Objective test has one correct answer. No matter how many evaluators you will have, isa lamang po ang sagot doon. Unlike with the subjective test, pwedeng mas marami, iba-iba ang sagot, depende sa takers natin, test takers, or depende sa nag-evaluate because it is based on the opinion, no, or perception of the one who is checking or evaluating. Yun ang subjective. Now, objective, 1 lang, correct answer. Now, traditional, that covers the written and objectives. Performance will cover the authentic. Very good. Next po tayo. Mga tama naman ang kanilang sagot eh. Ayan. The next question is,
Which is wrong to assume about traditional assessment? Letter A, it can assess fairly all the domains of intelligences of an individual. B, it is easier to assess than performance tests. C, it can assess individuals at the same time. D, it can assess individuals objectively.
may nag-thumbs up. May gusto sumagot. Teka muna. Okay. Jobel Villapando. Yes, Jobel.
Ma'am, letter A po.
Your answer is letter A. Bakit letter A, anak?
Kasi po, usually, nakalagay po dun sa letter A is all the domains po. Which is, I think, hindi po lahat ng domains kaya pong i-test or i-assess ng traditional assessment like quizzes po. Kasi hindi po, for example, ang test po natin is possible na meron lang na multiple choices or it's either identification. So, malalak po doon yung pag-assess natin ng affective domain in any case po. Depende sa topic po.
Okay. So, very nice explanation. That's very good. Let us see if your answer is correct. Let us reveal. Correct answer. Ooh! It is really letter A. It can assess fairly all the domains of intelligence. And take note, your question is, which is wrong? Yung easier to assess than performance test, tama. It can assess individual at the same time, tama din. It can assess individuals objectively, tama din. But to assess fairly all the domains, tama yung mention niya, cognitive, affective, psychomotor, that is quite impossible for traditional assessment. Very good. So let us proceed to the next one, please. Third question.
Teacher wants to evaluate the child's writing performance at the beginning, middle, and after school year. Which type of portfolio should the teacher use? A, assessment, B, development, C, evaluation, or D, showcase portfolio?
Okay. Ayan, nag-thumbs up. Nag-thumbs up, nag-heart, ang daming heart. O, puro heart to. Walang gustong mag-justify, magsalita. Baka meron po bago natin i-review. Or may nag-clap-clap din. Pero definitely, ang nakikita ko marami siyang heart. And heart belongs to letter. What is the correct answer on that? The correct answer is letter B, as in boy. Ayaw na uli mag-dance, which is a development portfolio. Kitang-kita naman development, no? Hindi siya assessment kasi you just gather or the different things that you have accomplished. Hindi rin siya evaluation kasi ang purpose ng evaluation is at the end lang. Hindi rin yan siya showcase kasi pag showcase, you are giving the best work that the student has done. So definitely, pag development, makikita mo yung performance ng bata from the beginning, middle, and after school years because you are from the changes from the beginning up to the end of a certain school year, a certain activity. So the correct answer is letter B, development. Congratulations sa mga nakakatamay. Maraming heart, ha?
Which of the following is the most reliable tool for seeing the development in your pupil's ability to write? A, interview of pupil. B, portfolio assessment. C, scoring rubrics. Or D, self-assessment.
May nag-heart, may nag-clap-clap. The answer is, wow, it is portfolio assessment. Okay, the heart one. Bakit portfolio? Kasi parang yung previous question lang natin kanina, doon na nakita, di ba? Reliable development ng pupil's ability to write. Yung question kanina, almost yun. If we are that witty na alam natin na andun yung question, halos andyan na. So we can have this portfolio assessment. Hindi interview, kasi sa interview, sometimes they do not disclose the real essence of it. Sa scoring rubrics naman, gumagamit lang tayo to find the strength or the weakness or even what it depends on what are the criteria. Self-assessment sa kanila lang yung base sa kanilang assessment. And in this case, it's more on reflective or in that case, based on own opinion. So portfolio, you can see really the development. So can we move now to the next